Centuries ago, explorers called it Serendib, a land of blissful discovery.
Here, the heart of nature beats to its own rhythm, witnessing giants in their pristine, green home.
From the deepest jungle to the sapphire coast.
But the Earth holds a deeper story. A 2,500-year legacy etched in stone and spirit.
Climb the walls of kings. Trace the footsteps of forgotten empires.
Feel the tranquility of a culture built on peace and profound reverence.
It's all here, compressed into one island. The wonder of nature, the wealth of history, waiting for your discovery. The journey is yours. Come and explore the Pearl of the Indian Ocean.